do you make a structure earthquake proof? There is nothing in the world that is earthquake proof. You can make it earthquake resistant, but not earthquake proof. Well, it's my own opinion. Somebody else may have a different opinion. How do you make it earthquake resistant? A good structural consultant who can make the structure earthquake resistant as per the Indian standards. And there are a few basic tips which I would want to share with you today. The first thing is, do not have undue cantilevers. Cantilever is a freestanding concrete element or a steel element. It is more prone to shaking or moving in an earthquake. Second aspect that you go is, make the structure as symmetrical as is possible. A symmetrical structure and a complete structure, a circular shape, a rectangular shape, a square shape, is more stable in earthquake. Another point which I would like to share is, do not have unnecessary heavy loads at the higher level. Like if you are building a swimming pool, try and building at the ground level. Don't take it to the terrace level. I would say avoid that unless you are having a structural engineer who is designing the structure and permitting you to do that. Earthquake is a very strong horizontal force that is exerted by nature on your structure. So please design your structure for earthquake resistance. Be safe and be very happy in life.